shadow, but I stay young, I'm blonde. I was at the West Coast, now I'm in the East Coast. All you wanna fall, 'cause I cashed out.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Discord bot using Discord.js version 14. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the first link in the description, which is going to take you to discord.com/developers/applications, which is going to bring you to this screen. Please ignore how many applications I have. I make a lot of bots, as I really enjoy this. So we're just going to create a new application in the top right, and we're going to call it whatever I want. I'll just do YouTube tutorial bots. Now, what we're gonna go do is we're gonna click on bot, and over here we're gonna check these three. Click save changes. Then we're gonna go to auth, and then we're gonna go into a notepad, and we're going to copy this, and we're going to just do this because we are going to need this for later. Then we're going to do URL generator, application.commands, and bot, and do whatever permissions you want. I'll do administrator, and we're going to copy this. Let's also put this in here. Okay. Then you're going to want to go to this. We're going to go to reset token. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here so I can do my token stuff. Then once you do whatever you need to do for your token, you're going to want to click on copy down here. Obviously I'm not going to show mine, otherwise people would be able to log into my bot. Make sure this does not get leaked anywhere, unless you're sharing a bot or something like that. Even then, I don't think you should be sharing your token anywhere. So we're going to click on copy, then we're going to go back into that notepad, and we're going to put our token. I'm going to blur this out too. Token. Boom. And we're just going to go ahead and click File, Save. Then we can just do bot info .tx. It already does the txt part. Okay, now we can close. Oh my god. It's okay, I'll blur it out in editing. Okay. Then with that link you copied, let me go to bot info. Bot info. And we're going to copy that invite again. Control C, and then in my coding test, I'm just gonna, okay, it doesn't really matter, but I have a coding test channel. I'm gonna put it straight into Discord. We're gonna click on it, and we're gonna invite the bot to whatever server you want. We're gonna do continue, authorize. I'm a human. Okay, now it's in there. As you can see, doesn't have any commands yet. No commands. Not yet. That's what we're going to make now. But before we make that command, we're going to want to go to the second link in the description, which is nodejs.org, and we're and we're going to want to download the one that says 18.17.1 LTS. Download that one. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. Then we're going to go to the third link in the description, and you're going to want to click on download on whichever platform you're on. In my case, I'm on Windows. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. Then you're going to want to go to the fourth link in the description and join my Discord server. Then go to packages and download this package right here. Then you're going to want to go on your desktop or anywhere. Go to new folder. We're going to name this, doesn't really matter, I'm just going to do YouTube tutorial bot. Again, doesn't matter. Then, once you downloaded that zip file, you're going to want to drag the files into there. Then it should look like this. Make sure to read this. I'm not going to show you this right now. But I'll just explain all that in this video. But this is what you need. This is what it should look like if you drag the files from the zip file into here. Then we're going to want to go to then you're going to want to click up here. We're going to do CMD. Then we're going to do code space dot, I believe it is. Okay, yep. If you downloaded Visual Studio Code correctly, if you did code space dot, it should have popped up with this. And first thing you want to do is you want to rename example.env. Just remove the example part, so it's .env. And then we're going to go to terminal. We're going to do new terminal. And we're going to do npm I discord.js at version 14. Then wait for that to load. And once that's done, we're going to do npm I.env. And I believe that's all we need to do for that. And in the .env file, you're going to want to go to that bot info notepad you went and paste the token and the client ID. I'll do that off camera. And for this down here, this is for a prefix system. If you want a prefix system, go ahead and put whatever you want for the prefix. I'll do one for this video. I'll just do a question mark. And if you don't put a prefix and you keep it how it was before, the prefix system will be disabled. If you don't want a prefix system, do not fill this in. If you do, fill it in. And let's see, what's next? Okay, and as you can see, the test command is already here along with the package. So what you're going to want to do is in your server, and your server, not mine, where your bot is. Oh, before you do that, you're going to want to do, you're going to do the plus over here and delete the one on top. Then we're going to do node space dot. And it will say logged in as your bot's name. This will not work if you didn't download Node, which was earlier in the video. Now the bot is online, so go to your Discord server where your bot is, and we're going to do /test. And there you can see your command. And it will say test completed. For you, it will say something else because I just changed this just now. It will say something. Just ignore it. You can edit it right here. You can edit it right here. That's how you can edit what the message says. And if you enabled prefixes, you're going to want to do your prefix, then do test. This is what it's going to say if you don't edit it. To remove this command, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't matter. And yeah, that's how that works. It also comes with a say command. We'll just do say test. See? Cool, right? And there you have it. That's a functional YouTube, not a functional YouTube bot, a functional Discord.js Discord bot. Before I end this video, I just want to introduce you to my Patreon page. You can buy memberships where you can get access to all of my source code. One for $10, where you get access to my paste-bins with all of my code in it, and get access to a private help channel. And a $30 membership, where you get access to all of my paste-bins, and get access to a private help channel, along with a custom bot coded by me and the staff. That also helps me out with creating more videos and upgrading my setup. So, I'll really appreciate it. And goodbye.